Welcome to the CarTech Lab Amazon channel. Today I'll be sharing a collection of the best car gadgets available on Amazon. Don't forget, you can find all the product links in the video description below. Let's dive right in. The Orion MotorTech Heavy Duty Ball Joint Press Kit is a robust, user-friendly tool designed for efficiently removing and installing ball joints and U-joints on most two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive cars and light trucks. Built with durable carbon steel and a corrosion-resistant black oxide finish, this kit ensures long-lasting performance under heavy use. It includes multiple adapters and sleeves to accommodate various joint sizes, providing versatility for different vehicle models. The ergonomic C-frame design and a 7/8" center rod offer powerful leverage to tackle stubborn joints with ease. Compact and portable, it comes with a sturdy carrying case for organized storage and transport. The VanMass military-grade car phone holder is designed for durability and stability. It features a robust suction cup that can support over 60 pounds, ensuring your phone stays securely in place even on bumpy roads. The holder is compatible with most vehicles and smartphones, including iPhone 16, 15 Pro Max, 14, and Samsung models. Its adjustable design allows for easy one-handed operation, providing a convenient and safe hands-free experience while driving. The Teflon steering wheel lock is a heavy-duty anti-theft device designed to enhance vehicle security. Its adjustable locking mechanism ensures a universal fit for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. The lock features a bright yellow color, serving as a highly visible deterrent to potential thieves. Constructed from high-quality materials, it resists cutting and sawing, providing robust protection. The lock is easy to install and remove, offering convenience for daily use. Each lock comes with 3 keys for added security. The Likulu LK3 backup camera system offers a 4.3-inch LCD monitor and a high-definition 1080p camera, providing clear images day and night. Its IP69 waterproof rating ensures durability in all weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, requiring only 15 minutes to connect the camera and monitor via a 4-pin video power cable. The system supports both manual and automatic operation, activating when the vehicle is in reverse gear. Additional features include adjustable parking guidelines and a 149-degree viewing angle for enhanced safety. The Hawkswell Heavy-Duty Parking Aid is designed to protect your vehicle and garage walls during parking. Measuring 18 inches in length, it features high-visibility yellow safety stripes for enhanced visibility. The eco-friendly material ensures durability without strong odors. Installation is straightforward with a peel-and-stick foam adhesive, eliminating the need for drilling. This parking aid helps prevent overrunning parking spots, safeguarding your garage walls and other parked cars. Each package includes 2 parking aids, each measuring 18 by 3.5 by 1.25 inches and weighing 28 ounces. The Nylite Toggle Switch Kit is a versatile and durable solution for controlling your vehicles or equipment. Designed for motorcycles, cars, trucks, and more, this kit features high-quality weather-resistant switches. It includes all necessary accessories for easy installation, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. With a 2-year warranty, it ensures reliable performance for all your electrical needs, adding convenience and control to your setup. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users looking to upgrade their vehicle switches. The Lyson 95W USB-C fast car charger is a high-performance car charger designed to quickly power your devices on the go. It features dual fast charging ports, a PD 65-watt port and a QC 30-watt port, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The charger is compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel. Its all-metal body ensures durability and efficient heat dissipation, while its compact size provides a sleek and clutter-free look in your vehicle. The Hotor car trash can with lid and storage pockets is a versatile solution for maintaining a clean and organized vehicle interior. With a 2-gallon capacity, it offers ample space for waste disposal during long trips. The adjustable strap allows for easy attachment to the front or back headrests, as well as the center console, ensuring convenient access from all areas of the car. Its collapsible design enables efficient storage when not in use. The trash can features 4 magnetic snaps inside, facilitating the secure fastening of an extra trash bag, making replacements quick and hassle-free. Beyond serving as a trash receptacle, it can also function as as a storage bag for items like cups, toys, and other accessories, enhancing its multifunctionality. The Chimoy 7-way trailer cord and junction box kit is a comprehensive solution for trailer wiring needs. It includes a durable 8-foot trailer cord made from high-quality copper, ensuring excellent electrical and thermal conductivity for reliable light functions such as turn signals and brake lights. The kit also features a 7-gang junction box with color-coded terminals, simplifying the wiring process and enhancing organization. Additionally, it comes with a 12-volt breakaway switch that activates the trailer's brakes if the trailer becomes disconnected during towing, providing added safety. The Parati Premium. All-season windshield wiper blades are designed to provide clear visibility in various weather conditions. Made from natural rubber, they offer excellent cleaning performance, ensuring a streak-free wipe for safer driving. The aerodynamic design reduces drag, noise, and wind lift, while the bracketless structure helps prevent snow and ice buildup. These wiper blades are easy to install and come with a 6-month after-sales service. The Orion MotorTech 5-in-1. Ball joint separator is a versatile automotive tool designed to simplify front-end maintenance tasks. This tool set includes a ball joint separator, tie rod and ball joint remover, conical Pitman arm puller, Pitman arm and tie rod end puller, and a Pitman arm puller, all housed in a durable ABS case for easy storage and portability. Constructed from hardened alloy steel, these tools are built to withstand tough jobs, effectively removing stubborn ball joints, tie rod ends, and Pitman arms. Compatible with a wide range of domestic and import vehicles, the magnetic sunglass holder for car visor is a practical accessory designed to keep your sunglasses secure and easily accessible while driving. Its strong magnetic closure ensures that your glasses stay in place, even during sudden stops or bumps. The holder is made from high-quality materials, providing durability and a sleek appearance that complements your vehicle's interior. Installation is straightforward. Simply clip it onto your car's sun visor for immediate use. This holder is compatible with various sunglasses and eyeglasses, making it a versatile addition to your car accessories. The Yoki Tesla jack pads are essential for safely lifting your Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X, 2016 to 2024. These durable rubber pads protect your vehicle's battery, chassis, and paint during maintenance by providing a secure lifting point. The set includes 4 pads, a storage case, and a tire repair toolkit, offering a comprehensive solution for Tesla owners. Easy to install and remove, these jack pads ensure optimal protection for your vehicle. The Liv-T blind spot mirror is a frameless convex mirror designed to enhance driving safety by eliminating blind spots. Its high-definition glass provides a clear, wide-angle view, making it easier to change lanes and pass other vehicles. The mirror features a 360-degree adjustable swivel mounting bracket for easy installation and optimal positioning. Suitable for cars, vans, SUVs, and trucks, it is a practical addition to any vehicle. The Crofy 2-pack car neck pillow is designed to provide comfort and support during long drives. Filled with 100% memory foam, it offers excellent neck and head support, helping to reduce fatigue and improve posture. The breathable, removable cover ensures comfort across all seasons and is machine washable for easy maintenance. The adjustable straps allow for a secure fit on most car seats, making it a versatile addition to your vehicle. The AFM/DFM Disabler is a device designed to deactivate General Motors' active fuel management, AFM, and dynamic fuel management, DFM systems in V6 and V8 engines. By plugging into the OBD2 port, it ensures the engine operates in full power mode at all times, enhancing throttle response and overall performance. This disabler is compatible with various GM vehicles, including models like the Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Cadillac Escalade. Installation is straightforward, requiring no tools, and it can be easily removed if necessary. The Amplist 4PCS center console organizer is designed to enhance storage and organization in your 2018 to 2023 Jeep Wrangler JLJLU and 2020 to 2023 Gladiator JT. This set includes a hanging storage box, center console tray, and gear shift side tray, all crafted from durable ABS plastic. The organizers are easy to install and help keep your vehicle's interior tidy by providing designated spaces for essentials like phones, coins, and sunglasses. The top DC 4-gauge 20-feet jumper cables are designed for reliable vehicle battery boosting. Made from copper-coated aluminum CCA, they offer excellent electrical conductivity. The 20-foot length provides ample reach for various vehicle sizes, including cars, SUVs, and trucks. The cables are insulated with PVC, remaining flexible in temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Strong insulated alligator clamps ensure secure connections. The set includes a convenient carry bag for easy storage. These jumper cables are essential for emergency situations, ensuring you can start your vehicle when needed. The Ragnify Clay Mitt is a medium-grade alternative to traditional clay bars, designed for efficient removal of surface contaminants like spray paint, water stains, and industrial dust. Its ergonomic glove design ensures a secure fit, allowing for easy handling during use. The Mitt's large surface area reduces detailing time, enabling you to clean your entire vehicle quickly. Suitable for all car colors, it can be used with any car shampoo or soap, eliminating the need for corrosive lubricants. This 282-piece Car Fuses Assortment Kit provides a comprehensive collection of blade-style fuses for automotive repairs and replacements. It includes a variety of amperage ratings, e.g., 5 amps to 30 amps, to suit different vehicle needs, ensuring compatibility with cars, trucks, and motorcycles. The fuses are housed in a compact, organized case for easy storage and portability. Made with durable materials, they offer reliable circuit protection to prevent electrical damage. Ideal for emergencies or DIY maintenance, this kit simplifies troubleshooting blown fuses and keeps your vehicle's systems running smoothly. This is just a quick roundup of some of the coolest and most unique car gadgets on Amazon. I hope you found it interesting. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on more great content. See you soon!